I got some Gematria for y'all. Let me get this here. So, 727, that's come to me quite a bit, but it was just came to me this morning. So, 727. And it's a mirror time. So, that'd be 99 mirror time. Anyway, so 727. And by this statement, it's like representative of what the numbers look like: a 7, a 2, and a 7. So 7, that's the number of God. 2, the partnership, the twin flame. Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll just read them all, but the two main important ones I want to talk about, and then another number, 686, because that's the page of the Bible that the one that I have, and it's the New King James Version, the Precious Moments, and Proverbs starts on page 686 of that Bible. So we'll do that one after. So the first one for 727, and it's the 129th prime. If you add 2 and 9, that's 11, so that'd be 111. But it actually reduces to 3, the whole number. So the ports of morning and evening, east and west, as connected with the rising and setting of the sun. Okay, and just look at the number itself, 727, the rising and setting of the sun, God. Okay, 7 is the number of God, and then 2, the east, the west, the duality, the partnership, the complementary existence. Okay, then the second one is rain in its season. So seasonal rain, which is, yeah, April showers. Hello. On both of their sides. I'm going to go into that one too, as it applies to the twin flames. And then the last one, this is really significant, is it's the primordial point, an alternate name of the first Sephira Keter. Okay, that's like the tree of life and everything. But it especially signifies the instant of emanation before which there was no revelation. Okay, so the spurt that came from the Father, God, light, electric, that came out of the womb. It was Mother, Father, God. It was one, but because the womb is all consuming, it appears as if it's just the void, the black womb, but it contained the Father, the electric, the light within, and that's what bursts forth. But because whatever is in the womb becomes a part of the womb, so it looks like it's just, I mean, if you were to visualize words, this is what it would look like. But it contained within there is the Creator, Father God. And the womb, that's, where the seed is planted, that nourishes and feeds the seed, the birth. Okay, and that's what she's responsible for. And I say he and she, but anyway. So so the primordial point, the emanation before which there was no revelation. So something being revealed. Okay, so the emanation is the spurt, just like out of the penis. Okay, just like Father God out of the womb. Okay, the spurt, the bursting open of the seed when you germinate seeds. That's the emanation. So, and light emanates. Light emanated. Father God emanated out of Mother, Father, the womb that contained both Mother and Father. Which is kind of like the twins. They come from the womb, okay? From one womb. They are one. And when it says, the one that says on both of their sides, so 727, okay, God's protecting the union. The 2 is in the middle, and it's bordered by 7 on each side. So God's not, favoring the divine feminine over the masculine or vice versa or whatever. Our team, our higher selves, God, Jesus, well, they're all working, the angels, they're working together with all the twins, but the two twins, they have the same team, the same spiritual family, and they help each other. Okay, and even the higher selves in your soul groups, your soul family, our higher selves are helping each other. The twins, their higher selves, that were helping each other, no matter what it looks like on the 3D. So 727, that was the primordial point. It signifies the instant of emanation before which there was no revelation, because it's the reveal. So let's do 6. What is it? 686. And this just has 3 of them. So 686 is 2 times 7 to the third. So it's 2 times 7 times 7 times 7. So 777 and 2. Okay, and we just did 727. So these two numbers are connected. But so the first one is heights. The second one is putting on light as the robe. And the third one is the odor of pleasantness, or an agreeable smell. So the middle one, the second one, putting on light as the robe. And in my Bible, this is where I got the 686. And it's probably come to me before, but this really stood out because that's the page of the Bible where Proverbs starts, like I said, in mine. So putting on light as the robe, and see, that's Proverbs. Proverbs, that's benediction. And that's God's light. And you wear that as your robe. You are guided by the Spirit. You're letting your higher self guide you. You're letting the truth, the light, the love of God. The light represents truth and love. That's what love is. Love equates to truth. Truth is love. And light represents that. So we're putting on light as our robe. Okay, and you can say becoming our light bodies, or there's different ways of saying it, but that's the way they say it. Gematria, it's right there. Putting on light as the robe. So I thought that was beautiful on how it's, because they always have a little equation to the right, and it's 2 times 7 to the third. So that synced up with the 727 as well. So, all right, and then just the 6s and 8s themselves. What we know what those mean. So, all right, you guys, I love you all. Blessings to you all, and peace be upon you all.